This is a setup video for the strategy which allows you to scalp 5 candles successfully on boom 1000 and crash 1000. So as you must have seen on the previous video, we only have one moving average on the main chart. So these are settings for the moving average, which is on the main chart. So you can see it. That's the period 21, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, then pixel, 3 pixel, then color is green. So that's it for that. Then we have stochastic. These are settings for the stochastic. The stochastic, that's for the period 21, then D period 9, slowing 9, price field low high, then method simple. Then the style, you can actually put any picture, but you have to make sure that it is green. It is it is white, because you don't have to show this, you don't have to let this display on your chart. We are not going to be making use of this. That's the main signal and the main and the signal. We are not going to make use of it. So what the most important thing is these levels. So you have to set up this level. Make sure you add these levels, which is level 20, 80, 10, and 90. The 4 of them are very, very important. So, and you should as well remember to label it like this: overbought and oversold. So then once that is done, then you click done. Then we still have another indicator which is on the stochastic. So this time around, you have to make sure that you use this the F plus in front of indicator window 1. You understand? In order for you to be able to add this alligator, the last indicator. So in order for you to be able to add it, you have to use that F plus for you to be able to add it on the stochastic. So this is the settings for the alligator. So you can see it. That's the jaw period 9, then jaws shift 3, teeth period 8, teeth shift 2, lips period 15, lips shift 2, method exponential, then apply to median price. So you can see the color of the style that is used. So the first one has to be white, because we are not going to be using it, so that it can blend with the background. So we're not going to be using the first one. So the two important ones, which are the ones showing on the screen, in the video, you understand, because you can see that we have 2 trend lines on the stochastic. So these are the 2 trend lines, this one, this blue one, and the gold one, you understand. So once you set it up like that, then you can click done. So after you have them set up, so it should look like this. Make sure it looks exactly like this, so you can follow the strategy described in the main video to use it to start trading on boom 1000 and crash 1000. So remember to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to subscribe, or if you are just coming to the channel for the first time. And you should also remember to join our Telegram channel from the link below this video. And also, if you are just hearing about boom and crash for the first time, so the link to opening an account with 𝗕𝗥𝗢𝗆, which offers you boom and crash, which is the only broker that offers you boom and crash, the link is in the description of this video. So scroll down to the description box of this video to open a trading account with 𝗕𝗥𝗢𝗆. Thank you so much for watching.